From the desk of Master Female Distributors, a Women's Day special series. This Women's Day, we are celebrating women MFDs, redefining investments, and inspiring change.
To look as money as their friend and not as foe, and saying that please take it in your stride to manage your money, because if you are able to manage your home, you can definitely manage your wealth.
Investment doesn't mean that you need to have a regular income. Even if you have an irregular income, or even if you have a small savings, as small as 5,000, that also can be invested into mutual fund schemes and you can build in your portfolio.
I often have people come to me and say that I want to invest in an SIP, and when I say that, okay, let's go ahead with this mutual fund, they'll say, no, not the mutual fund, the SIP. So that tells me that while the awareness has increased, the understanding of how the investment actually works still needs improvement. So yes, participation of women in investing is growing, but there's still work to be done in terms of financial literacy and long-term investment discipline.
They ask very pertinent questions as to what is this product, what is the risk associated with it. So yes, over the years there's been a lot of change in how women perceive money and how they perceive investments. So earlier they used to be investing only into gold or FDs. Today they have started moving towards these mutual funds.
Stay tuned for episode 1 on the 8th of March at 10 a.m.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.